gopis sang Gopi Geet, then Sri Krishna manifested there. Just like Guru Maharaj always explains, the nature of Prema is lost when it comes from the mouth. Just like you keep incense inside a room, that incense becomes very strong, very nice smell. But as soon as you open the window, the incense runs out, and that smell is lost. Therefore, Radharani, the gopis, never saying to Krishna directly, I love you. They never say. Because the nature of Prema always remains confidential. Therefore, in fact, the gopis will act in such a way as if to show they have no love for Krishna. That is called Bhamya Bhava. When Krishna comes and Radharani comes like this. And Krishna never gets a chance to hear how much the gopis love him. Because gopis will not say that is the nature of Prema. Not reveal itself directly. Prema is always in a crooked way. Then when Krishna separated himself from the gopis manifested their prayer for Krishna and Viraha. Because Krishna is not there. The Guru Maharaj says, really, Krishna must be there in a secret form, hearing all this. The gopis love me so much. So Krishna could not keep himself away. He manifested there in the mandal of the Braja gopis. And that time, all the gopis, they welcomed Krishna. How? They took their anchal, which was nicely fragrant by the kumkum from their bodies, and they put that cloth on the ground. Millions and millions of gopis put their very fine cloths on the ground as an asan to Krishna. So when Krishna sat on that asan, that's how much he felt happy. Also, Krishna had done some aparad. Therefore, with his cloth around his pitaka, around his neck, like sannyasi cloth. Sannyasi cloth, Baba did Mother give some donation. And Krishna also, like the gopis, I have done some aparad, please give your man to me like this. That time Krishna was smiling very sweetly. Because Krishna that time accept complete defeat from his potencies, the gopis. Therefore, Krishna, when he is that close to the gopis, begging their mercy, begging their forgiveness, he is completely dependent on his Shakti. That time he manifested the complete sweetness. Tesham Avadishtu smile. Therefore, that time Krishna, being completely predominated by the Prema of the gopis, Shakshat Manmana. Sukadeva Goswami says, at that time he manifested the topmost sweetness. Shakshat Manmana. Cupid, Manma, he challenged the heart of every living entity. But the sweetness Krishna manifested at that time challenged the heart even of Cupid himself. So only Krishna Tattva alone is not complete. Therefore, Sri Ramananda Roy described Krishna Tattva with his Shakti. But therefore, Guru Maharaj always says, when Krishna is there with Radharani, then he is Svayam Bhagavan. But then his qualities are manifested in the topmost way. I heard one very nice explanation from Madhusudana Maharaj. Very easy way we can understand. If someone is alone in their room, no friends, no associates, then you cannot understand who they are or what they are. But when their family members, when their friends come in, then they begin laughing, joking, laughing. Then you can understand what is the nature of that person. But alone you cannot understand their nature. But when it's their friends, their associates, in their house, then they manifest their real nature. In the same way, Krishna, when he manifests his Nam, Rup, Guna, Lila, and Parikam Vishishta, when he is with his associates. Krishna always manifests his Rupa according to the Shakti he is present with. Like when Krishna was with Nanda Maharaj, and who does Krishna become? Nandananda. When Krishna is with Yasoda, then Krishna becomes Yasodananda. When he's with Subal, Sudam, then he becomes like that, friend. And when he's with Radhika, and he becomes Radharani. Therefore, Sri Ramananda Roy, when he described Krishna Tattva, immediately after he begins describing Radha Tattva. Therefore, when the parrots, the Sukh and Sadi were arguing, the male parrots always on the side of Krishna, the female parrots always on the side of Radharani. Then the male parrot said, who is our Krishna? He is Mohan, Madan Mohan. He is Mohan. And the gopis say, no, only with his Krishna then he is Madan Mohan. Otherwise he's only Mohan. Therefore Sri Ramananda Roy, as soon as he describes the tattva of Krishna, he must also describe the tattva of his Shakti. Therefore, then he describes the tattva of Srimati Radhika. Akila Rasamitam Prasaruchirutam Tarak. The first verse of Sri Rasamrita Sindhu, Sri Rupa Goswami describes, who is that Akila Rasamrita Murti? That is Krishna. Which Krishna? Who is surrounded by Tarak, Malik, Shamala, Lalita, and Reda Priya and Vidura Jayati. But only when Radharani there, then he is Jayati. He is all victorious and all glorious. Singa Rasarajmai Murtida Tevatma Padyan Sarvachinaha. Therefore, all the mellows we have heard, Santa, Dasya, Sakya, and Vatsalya and Madhuras, Shingharas is the topmost, and that very personification of Shingharas, that is Srimati Radhika herself. Therefore, when Sri Ramananda describes Radha Tapa, then you can imagine what will come from his mouth. Because who is Sri Ramananda Roy? He's none other than Vishal. Vishal is no different than the Super Radhika. We will hear afterwards. Radhika Suru Krishna Prema Kalpalaka Tad Ayasantigan Kalpalaka. Radhika, she is like the vine of Krishna Prema. Krishna is the Visaya of Ras. He is the object of Ras. Therefore he is Rasaraj. But Srimati Radhika, she is the abode of all bhavs, all type of self. Therefore when that Asrais Jatya, that Asray Bhagavan Srimati Radhika takes the shelter of Visaya Bhagavan Sri Radhika, Sri Krishna, then that vine climbs up. But that vine, sometimes you see, like if you put in the garden a tomato plant, the tomato grows up along the stick, then it grows above the stick and covers the stick. It goes up, there was Sri Radhika taking shelter with the feet of Sri Krishna, goes up, finally even covers Sri Krishna himself. Sri Ramananda Roy describes the glories of Sri Radha Tapa. Many interesting things. So that is Krishna Tapa.